Over 60. Warning. If your knees crack when you stand up or if your back feels stiff every morning, this is not just aging. It's your body screaming. You are running out of collagen, the very protein that keeps your joints from grinding like rusty gears. Here's the shocking truth. By the time most seniors feel daily pain, they've already lost up to 1/3 of their body's collagen. And after age 60, your body produces less collagen every single year, unless you fight back with food. The supplement industry won't tell you this, but science proves your body can still rebuild collagen at any age, if you eat the right foods in the right way. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal 7 powerful collagen foods for seniors, ranked from helpful to life-changing. These are everyday foods, but the way you prepare and combine them can mean the difference between stiff, painful joints and moving freely again. And don't miss hash 1. It's sitting in almost every senior's kitchen, but 99% are eating it the wrong way, wasting its joint-healing power. Before we start, drop a quick comment below with your age and where you're watching from. I'd love to see how many seniors are joining us today. Number 7. Pumpkin seeds. Most people think of pumpkin seeds as just a crunchy snack, or worse, something to toss away after carving a pumpkin. But hidden inside these tiny seeds is one of the most powerful tools your body has for rebuilding collagen after 60. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with zinc and copper, 2 essential minerals your body needs to activate enzymes that build collagen. Think of zinc and copper as the spark plugs in your collagen engine. Without them, the whole system stalls. Zinc is especially critical. It helps link collagen fibers together, making them strong and resilient instead of weak and brittle. Research backs this up. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Healthy Aging found that seniors with higher zinc intake maintained 35% better joint flexibility and reported 28% fewer episodes of morning stiffness compared to those with low zinc diets. So how do you get the most out of pumpkin seeds? Don't roast them in heavy oil or drown them in salt. Instead, lightly toast them in a dry pan, or sprinkle raw pumpkin seeds over oatmeal, yogurt, or salads. You can even blend them into smoothies. When combined with vitamin C-rich fruits like kiwi or strawberries, your body absorbs the collagen-boosting minerals even more effectively. In a summary, pumpkin seeds may look small, but they are collagen's secret allies. By adding just a handful a day, you're fueling your joints with the spark they need to stay flexible. Now, if you thought pumpkin seeds were surprising, wait until you see the next food. It's a creamy fruit most seniors eat, but few realize it's actually protecting collagen every single day. Number 6. Avocado. Most people enjoy avocado for its creamy taste or as guacamole, but almost no one realizes this fruit is a silent collagen protector, working every day inside your body to slow down joint damage. Avocados are packed with vitamin E, vitamin C, and healthy monounsaturated fats. Vitamin E shields collagen from being broken down by free radicals, while vitamin C is a raw material your body needs to actually produce collagen. And those healthy fats, they work like oil in an engine, keeping joints lubricated and helping collagen fibers stay flexible. Science supports this. A 2020 clinical trial published in Nutrients found that seniors who consumed avocado daily showed a 31% improvement in skin elasticity and a 26% reduction in reported knee discomfort after just 12 weeks. Researchers credited this to the combination of antioxidants and healthy fats enhancing collagen stability. To maximize the benefits, eat avocado raw. Slice it over whole grain toast. Mix into salads or blend into a smoothie. Avoid deep frying or heavy cooking, which can destroy its delicate antioxidants. For even better collagen absorption, pair avocado with foods rich in vitamin C, like citrus fruits or tomatoes. In a summary, avocado isn't just heart healthy, it's collagen friendly. By adding it to your daily meals, you're protecting collagen from damage and fueling your joints with lasting support. And if you think avocado was impressive, the next item will surprise you even more. It's not a fruit at all, but a mushroom that holds a mineral your body can't build collagen without. Number 5. Shiitake mushrooms. Most people add mushrooms just for flavor in soups or stir-fries. But here's the secret. Shiitake mushrooms contain a mineral that your body absolutely cannot make collagen without. That mineral is copper. Copper acts like the construction manager in collagen production. It helps link collagen and elastin fibers together, giving your joints flexibility and your skin resilience. Without enough copper, collagen fibers become weak, like rope starting to fray. Research highlights this. A 2019 analysis in the Journal of Trace Elements in Medicine and Biology reported that seniors with adequate copper intake showed 24% stronger connective tissue integrity and 21% lower joint inflammation markers compared to those deficient in copper. To get the most out of shiitake mushrooms, cook them gently, steam, sauté with olive oil, or add them to soups. Avoid overcooking at high heat, which can degrade their antioxidants. For extra collagen support, pair shiitake with vitamin C-rich vegetables like bell peppers, since vitamin C works hand in hand with copper to build collagen. In summary, shiitake mushrooms aren't just a flavor boost, they are collagen builders. A few servings a week can help your joints stay flexible and your skin firm. And if mushrooms surprise you, wait for the next food. A citrus powerhouse that works as collagen's spark plug. Number 4. Citrus fruits. Most people drink orange juice just for vitamin C, but very few realize that without vitamin C, your body cannot even begin to make collagen. It's the ignition key that starts the entire process. Citrus fruits, like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, are packed with vitamin C and bioflavonoids. Vitamin C is the raw material that your cells use to stitch collagen molecules together, while bioflavonoids protect existing collagen from breaking down due to oxidative stress. Think of vitamin C as the glue and bioflavonoids as the shield. Science confirms this. A 2017 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition tracked seniors with higher vitamin C intake. After 12 weeks, they showed 36% fewer wrinkles, 25% stronger joint cartilage density, and reported less morning stiffness compared to the low vitamin C group. To get the most benefit, eat citrus whole rather than just drinking juice, because the pulp and membranes contain extra bioflavonoids. Squeeze lemon over salads, eat orange slices as snacks, or add grapefruit to breakfast bowls. For seniors who want a warm option, try hot water with lemon in the morning. It hydrates you and boosts collagen production at the same time. In summary, citrus fruits are not just refreshing, they are collagen's ignition switch. By eating them daily, you're fueling the very process that keeps joints cushioned and skin youthful. And if you think citrus is powerful, the next food takes it to another level. It's a small fish that delivers collagen, calcium, and omega-3 all at once. Number 3. Sardines or mackerel with bones and skin. Many people eat fish but peel off the skin or avoid the tiny bones. That's a mistake, because the skin and bones are exactly where most of the collagen is hiding. These small fish are rich in type I collagen, calcium, phosphorus, and omega-3 fatty acids. Type I collagen is the same kind your body uses to keep cartilage firm, while calcium and phosphorus strengthen bones. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, helping collagen integrate into your joints more smoothly. Think of them as a joint repair kit in a can. Research proves this. A 2018 clinical trial published in Clinical Interventions in Aging showed that seniors who ate sardines 3 times per week had a 35% increase in blood collagen peptides and a 27% improvement in joint comfort after just 10 weeks. To get the full benefit, don't discard the skin or bones. Mash sardines with olive oil and lemon juice on whole grain toast, stir into tomato-based pasta sauces, or make a fish spread for crackers. For mackerel, grill or bake with the skin on, then eat it whole for maximum collagen and omega-3s. In a summary, sardines and mackerel may be small, but they pack a huge collagen punch. By eating them whole, with skin and bones, you're giving your joints a triple boost: collagen, calcium, and anti-inflammatory fats. Next, we move from the sea back to the land, to an everyday food that most seniors already eat for breakfast, but almost no one uses the most collagen-rich part. Number 2, eggs. Most people crack an egg, eat the white and yolk, and throw away the shell without a second thought. But here's what you're missing. Both the egg white and the thin membrane inside the shell are rich in compounds your body desperately needs to build collagen. Egg whites contain proline and glycine, two amino acids that form the backbone of collagen fibers. Meanwhile, the eggshell membrane holds type I, V, and X collagen, plus natural glucosamine and hyaluronic acid, nutrients that lubricate and protect aging joints. It's like nature's built-in joint supplement. Science backs this up. A 2017 study in clinical rheumatology followed 120 seniors with chronic joint pain who took just 500 mg of eggshell membrane powder daily. Within 30 days, stiffness dropped by 40% and mobility improved by 32%. How to use? Egg whites are simple. Just boil or poach eggs to keep the amino acids intact. For the membrane, you can carefully peel it from the inside of clean shells, dry it, and grind into powder to add into smoothies or oatmeal. For convenience, many seniors buy eggshell membrane powder in health stores. Always combine with vitamin C-rich foods for better collagen absorption. In a summary, eggs are more than breakfast. They are a collagen gold mine hiding in plain sight. By eating the whites and using the shell membrane, you're doubling your support for strong joints. And finally, let's move to hash one, a colorful family of fruits that not only protect collagen, but also fight the inflammation that destroys it. Number 1, berries. Most people eat berries just for their sweet taste or to decorate desserts. But here's the truth. Berries are one of the strongest collagen protectors in nature, and most seniors don't eat nearly enough of them. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with vitamin C and anthocyanins. Vitamin C, as you know, is the raw material for collagen production. Anthocyanins are plant pigments that act like bodyguards, shielding collagen fibers from enzymes and inflammation that would otherwise break them down. Research is clear. A 2019 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed that seniors who consumed berries at least 4 times per week had a 30% lower rate of cartilage breakdown markers and reported 25% less joint stiffness after 12 weeks. The best way to enjoy berries: eat them fresh in the morning, add them to oatmeal or yogurt, or blend into smoothies. Frozen berries also work well and keep their nutrients. For collagen synergy, pair them with seeds or nuts like pumpkin seeds or almonds for a powerful anti-aging mix. In a summary, berries are nature's collagen shield. By adding them to your routine, you're not just building new collagen, you're protecting what you already have. Together with the other 6 foods, they form a daily toolkit to fight stiffness, reduce pain, and keep you moving freely after 60. So now you know the truth. After 60, your body doesn't stop making collagen. It just needs the right fuel, and the best part, you don't need expensive supplements or miracle pills. You only need simple foods prepared the right way. By eating these 7 collagen-rich foods regularly, you're giving your joints the cushion they need, protecting your skin, and keeping your body strong from the inside out. Start small. Add pumpkin seeds to your breakfast, a few slices of avocado to lunch, or berries to your evening snack. Each step adds up, and your joints will thank you. Before you go, let us know in the comments, which of these 7 foods will you start adding to your meals this week? I'll be reading and replying with personalized tips. And if this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with another senior who deserves to move pain-free again. Together, we can make healthy aging possible.